In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Streameast on your Roku device so you can stream live sports and other content directly on your TV. While Streameast isn't available as a pre-installed app in the Roku channel store, you can still access it by using a workaround with the Roku's built-in browser or screen mirroring feature. Here's how you can do it. First, check if your Roku model supports the Roku browser or web browser app. If it does, go to the Roku home screen, navigate to the Streaming Channels section, and search for a compatible browser like Web Videocaster or Roku Media Player. Once installed, open the browser, type in the URL for Streameast, make sure you're entering the correct and updated website address, and start streaming directly from the website. If your Roku doesn't support a browser app, another option is to use screen mirroring. Enable screen mirroring on your Roku by going to the Settings menu, selecting System, then Screen Mirroring, and choosing either Prompt or Always Allow. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, connect to the same Wi-Fi network as your Roku, open the Streameast website, and mirror your device's screen to your TV via Roku. Alternatively, if you have a laptop or desktop, you can connect it directly to your Roku using an HDMI cable or a casting device like Chromecast, then access Streameast through a web browser. Regardless of the method you choose, ensure your internet connection is stable for uninterrupted streaming. That's it. You now know how to install and access Streameast on your Roku device. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.